11 Best High-Protein Foods for Weight Loss, according to dietitians. 1. Peanut butter, low in carbs, high in protein, and healthy fats. 2 tablespoons provide about 8 grams of protein. 2. Eggs. Versatile and nutrient-dense, containing around 6 grams of high-quality protein per egg along with essential vitamins and minerals. 3. Salmon. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, salmon provides essential fats and is a great weight loss food despite its fat content. 4. Black beans. High in protein and fiber, black beans aid in weight loss and help relieve constipation and bloating. 5. Lean meats. Opt for low-calorie, lean meats like chicken breasts, which are great sources of complete protein with minimal carbs and fat. 6. Whole grains. Switch from white to whole grain carbs like whole grain pasta and high-protein crackers to stay full with fewer calories. 7. Low-fat dairy. Choose plain, low-fat, or fat-free dairy products like yogurt and cheese for high-protein options that support weight loss. 8. Cottage cheese. At around 23 grams of protein per cup and less than 200 calories, cottage cheese is a protein-rich dairy choice. 9. Quinoa. This gluten-free seed offers about 8 grams of protein and 5 grams of fiber per serving, making it a healthy alternative to rice or pasta. 10. Nuts. Almonds, pistachios, and peanuts provide about 6 grams of protein and 3 grams of fiber per 1 ounce serving, making them a nutritious snack. 11. Shrimp. Low in calories and high in protein, shrimp is also a good source of iodine, supporting thyroid health and metabolism. Conclusion. Incorporating high-protein foods like peanut butter, eggs, salmon, black beans, lean meats, whole grains, low-fat dairy, cottage cheese, quinoa, nuts, and shrimp can significantly aid in weight loss. These nutrient-dense options not only help build and maintain muscle, but also keep you full longer, making it easier to manage your weight effectively.
Thanks for watching. Like, comments, and share.